Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get money fast in Blox Fruits First Sea. So first of all, there are multiple methods to get money fast in Blox Fruits First Sea. So one of them is, of course, that the fastest way to get more money is to buy it with Robux. Of course, this means you will need to spend real money on Robux. The smallest amount of money that you can buy in Blox Fruits is $10,000 for 50 Robux. Robux can be purchased in increments, with the smallest amount currently being 400 for 4.99 USD. This means if you have no Robux at all, you will need to spend around $5 USD in order to buy money in Roblox Fruits. And another quick way to get some money is by using codes, but this can vary depending on which codes are currently active. For example, as of publication, there is a code that will earn you a whooping $0, and as well as a code that earns you $1. Be sure to check multiple code pages to see if there are any new codes for the Blox Fruits that involve money. There are also other codes that reward you with things like free experience and an experience boost for set duration of time. Another great way to get money is to defeat enemies. There are enemies everywhere. Just find one and defeat them. Many of the players defeated one enemy at the gamer and earned $64 and along with some experience. This is a pitiful amount of money, but it highlights that even the weakest enemies give some money upon death. The amount of money will vary, but typically higher leveled enemies give more money. For example, defeating a sea beast found in the second and third sea will give anywhere from 60,000 to 250k dollar, and this is a lot, and the enemy itself is quite strong, but the reward for defeating one is quite satisfying. So bosses are unique enemies that are way stronger and typically have a complex moveset. Bosses aren't as common as typical enemies, but if you manage to take one down, you'll get some great rewards. For example, if you defeat Bobby, this boss has a strikingly similar look to Buggy from One Piece, and in the pirate village you will get 8,000 and 45,000 experience. You can defeat Bobby more than once. You just need to wait until he spawns again. So another way is completing quest is the best bread and butter of Blox Fruits. You will complete new quests as you travel seas, which bring you new locations. So if you are working your way through the world by completing quests, keep going. Quests are a great source of money as well as experience. And that's it for today's video. That's how you can earn some block earn some money fast in Blox Users First Sea. I have told you multiple ways, and that I hope that would help, and see you on the next one.